How to change Netflix payment method. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In this video I will show you how you can change your payment method on Netflix, so you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to change your payment method on Netflix, what you want to do is, first of all, you have to understand we cannot change our payment method from the native application. Whether you're on Android or whether you're on iPhone, it doesn't really matter because the application does not offer us such options. So instead, what I recommend you do is just open up your browser, and then you simply want to go to netflix.com from your browser. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Just log into netflix.com. Now if you're on mobile, when you try to log into netflix.com from your browser, it might redirect you to the application again. So in that case, just exit the app again and then refresh your browser, and it will take you to the browser page itself. Now after you log into your account, what you want to do is tap on the three lines from the top left hand side, and you'll see these options. Here you'll find the option called account, which is at the very top of the screen. So you just want to tap on the option called account. Once you tap on the option called account, you'll see all these sorts of various information. So what you want to do is just scroll down, and here you'll find the option called manage payment info. Now currently I have added my international card, so if I want to actually change it, what I need to do is just tap on the option called manage payment info. So if you want to change the payment info, the only thing you have to do is you have to add the another payment method, and then you have to remove the old one. You cannot just edit this one right over here because this is currently on our list, and then it is actually charging us with our billing date from this payment details. So if you want to change it, what you need to do is tap on the add payment method option, enter your new payment method such as credit or debit card, or maybe the PayPal, or maybe a gift code or a special offer, whatever you have. And once you go ahead and then add your new payment method, you'll find the option to remove the old one by tapping on the edit option and then just choosing the option called remove from the bottom of the screen. And once you do that, you'd have successfully changed your payment method on Netflix. And that's all it takes to change your payment method on Netflix. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.